Today, I'll show you 5 of the deadliest neurotoxins created by humans and found in nature that can kill you in seconds. To flex muscles, the brain uses neurotransmitter acetylcholine, and to relax them, it uses acetylcholine esterase to decompose the neurotransmitter. Some neurotoxins and nerve agents, a subcategory of neurotoxins, inhibit the production of acetylcholine esterase, leading to muscle overuse and, if left untreated, death. Now, with this in mind, let's look at the deadliest examples, starting with sarin. Sarin is a clear, colorless, and tasteless liquid with no smell that can quickly evaporate and spread through the environment. It was first discovered accidentally in 1938 by scientists in Germany who were trying to develop stronger pesticides. Unfortunately, after the discovery, this nerve agent was produced and used by many countries and institutions, including the Nazi Germany, the US, Russia, or even NATO. This agent was also used in a terrorist attack led by a cult, Wineo, in Tokyo subway, leading to 12 deaths and 6,200 injuries. Although it depends on the type of exposure, sarin can be extremely lethal. According to a publication in PubMed, for an 80 kg adult, the lethal dose of sarin is about 90 micrograms per cubic meter. For comparison, that's roughly the same weight as just 3 grains of table salt. If exposed to sarin, treatment begins with decontamination, removing clothes and washing with water, followed by antidotes like atropine and protodoxin. Because of its high lethality, sarin was banned by the UN Chemical Weapon Convention in 1993, prohibiting the production, stockpiling, and use of it, and also of numerous other chemical weapons, such as the next one on the list, VX. Adherent to the V-series nerve agents discovered in Britain in 1952, VX is a nerve agent similar to sarin, but much more deadlier. This fatal nerve agent was used to kill the brother of North Korea's current leader and also in Iraq in an attack against Kurds. According to CDC, inhaling VX can cause symptoms within seconds or minutes, and in case of higher doses, death in 1 to 10 minutes. In case of inhalation, the fatal dose of VX is only around 25 to 30 micrograms and as little as 10 micrograms in case of a skin exposure. In case of an exposure, the patient is decontaminated and a combination of atropine and protodoxin is used as an antidote. Important to note is that VX stays in the air for weeks or even months, depending on the local situation. VX is categorized as a weapon of mass destruction and was banned by the UN Chemical Weapon Convention in 1993. As of December 2015, 98% of the worldwide stockpile of VX has been destroyed. Tetrodotoxin, or TTX, is a potent neurotoxin naturally occurring in some sea animals. This neurotoxin has shown promising results when treating patients for cancer-related pain with it, and is also present in a fugu pufferfish, a Japanese national delicacy. In Japan, fugu can be served only in special restaurants with cooks who are qualified enough to prepare it. The lethal dose of TTX, if exposed orally, is only around 22 milligrams, and after the exposure, the victim paralyzes but stays conscious. There's currently no antidote available for TTX, so the treatment is only supportive. Artificial ventilation and stomach pumping are used to keep the patient alive until the body naturally clears the toxin. TTX remains under strict control in many countries, with Japan allowing its use only in licensed restaurants for fugu preparation. In medicine, it's being studied for its potential as a powerful painkiller. Botulinum toxin, more commonly known as Botox, is a neurotoxic protein produced by bacteria. It works by inhibiting the production of acetylcholine, creating botulism, a fatal condition in which the body's muscles, including the ones crucial to breathing, paralyze. It was initially discovered in Germany in 1793 when people got botulism in a small village from eating blood sausages. Botox also has a huge variety of medical use cases, such as treating for overactive muscle movement, chronic migraine, and it also has cosmetic use cases. According to a study published in PubMed, the fatality rate of botulism dropped significantly thanks to advances in medicine and treatment. Still, the lethal dose for an 80 kg adult is only about 0.92 micrograms if inhaled. Adults can get botulism from food or by exposed wounds. Infants can get botulism from spores on the ground, and the bacteria creating Botox can grow inside of them. This is due to the fact that their intestines are not mature enough. Today, Botox is one of the most widely used medical neurotoxins, treating conditions from muscle spasms to chronic migraines, and even for cosmetic purposes. But not all neurotoxins in medicine are intentional. Our next one, MPTP, was never meant to treat anyone, yet it changed neuroscience forever. MPTP, or
1-methyl-4-phenyl 1,2,3,6-tetrahydropyridine.
Okay, let's just call it MPTP, is a synthetic chemical that was never intended as a weapon or drug. It was discovered in the 1970s when young drug users in California suddenly developed severe Parkinson's-like symptoms after injecting a contaminated batch of a synthetic drug. Scientists later found that MPTP selectively destroys dopamine-producing neurons in the brain, permanently impairing motor control. MPTP is not typically lethal in the short term, but it causes irreversible brain damage. In severe cases, symptoms can progress to total immobility and death from complications such as pneumonia. There is no antidote for MPTP damage once it occurs. The treatment focuses on managing symptoms, often using Parkinson's medications to temporarily restore motor function. MPTP is now used in research to create animal models of Parkinson's disease, helping scientists study potential treatments. It has no legal medical use in humans. Neurotoxins are chemicals, either natural or man-made, that disrupt the nervous system, often by blocking nerve signals or damaging nerve tissue. A special category, nerve agents, includes synthetic compounds like Sarin and VX, originally developed for warfare. These agents work by inhibiting acetylcholine esterase, an enzyme essential for muscle relaxation, leading to paralysis and death if untreated. Some neurotoxins, like Tetrodotoxin from pufferfish or botulinum toxin from bacteria, occur in nature but are just as deadly. Others, like MPTP, are accidental byproducts of human chemistry that have revealed deep insights into brain function. Whether found in nature or created in a lab, neurotoxins demonstrate both the fragility and complexity of the human nervous system, and also why their regulation and control are critical for public safety.